Unraveling Idioms, the meaning behind bear's ear. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, bear's ear. Idioms like this one can be tricky for language learners because their meanings aren't obvious from the words themselves. But don't worry, we'll unpack it together, so stay tuned. Before we delve into the phrase, bear's ear, let's clarify what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning different from its literal meaning. It's like a secret code that native speakers understand through cultural context or common use. Idioms can add color and flair to the language, making it more vivid and expressive. So, what does bear's ear actually mean? Literally, it refers to the ear of a bear. Simple enough, right? However, we rarely use it in this literal sense. Figuratively, when someone says, bear's ear, they might be referring to something that is rare or difficult to find. Just like seeing the ear of a bear, since they're often hidden by fur and bears themselves are not a common sight. Now, let's put our idiom into action. You might hear someone say, finding a first edition of this book is like looking for a bear's ear. What they mean is that finding such a book is extremely rare or almost impossible. It's not just about the rarity. It's also about the difficulty of the task at hand. That's a wrap on bear's ear. Remember, idioms are the spice of language, giving it flavor and character. They can be challenging, but understanding them is also a lot of fun and a great way to sound more like a native speaker. We hope you found this video enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like bear's ear with ease. Until next time, happy learning!